What's going on, traders? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be covering AMC and GameStop and what we expect for the volatile day of tomorrow. We're going to go over the top 3 catalysts headed into Wednesday. If you guys do find any value in live technical analysis and market updates, make sure you hit the subscribe button because we go live every single day, Monday through Friday at Market Open and the legendary Power Hour. Without further ado, let's hop right in, guys. There's a lot of you who have yet to receive the stimmy. Wells Fargo and Chase, like we mentioned yesterday, have not sent them out yet. Tomorrow, you should be stimulated, so there's still more money to come into the markets throughout this week. Jerome Powell, Fed chairman, is supposed to be speaking tomorrow. And the last time he spoke, the market did not like it, and we tanked. Talking about inflation, talking about the rates, which pretty much close to zero, and pretty much they're going to keep them the same. But there's a lot to know headed into tomorrow, and if there is another drop, I am going to be watching Tesla as well for a potential pullback, which we'll cover at the end of the day. At the end of the video. So keep on watching for Tesla. Also, GameStop, the congressional hearing is tomorrow. We have an absolute volatile day for AMC as well because the correlation between the stocks has been pretty much tight. We saw that as well today as we pulled back, which we'll talk about. AMC, which happened to have a healthy pullback. Some key levels of support for GameStop is right around the $200 mark. We'll cover that right now. Let's pull this up really quick. Around the $200 mark, which yesterday we said that it might have a potential gap fill right here at 200, and we did fill that hole. So now if we do keep that uptrend, there might be some resistance to come right around 220s, which was an area we were fighting a couple like last week or so. The 220s is what we were fighting. That is not going to be resistance. If we do break past 220s, obviously the next level of resistance is 250s. As for now, GameStop is now under the 4-hour EMA, and the last time we crossed under the 4-hour EMA or so, I think was February 1st. So we were under that EMA for quite some time, and towards the end of the month, that's when we initially shot up, but now we're under that EMA territory. But I don't think we're going to take that long before we cross back above, with earnings being around the corner next week, March 25. That's going to be the next biggest catalyst that I do think can send GameStop above $250, possibly even $300 to retest that. Earnings is the most overlooked catalyst we have, and if that plays out right, I'm going to be doubling down on my position before that happens, before that day. Keep on watch. As for AMC, some support is right around the 1250s, guys. This is such a healthy pullback. Right now, the AMC chart pattern is looking a little bit more bullish than GameStop. This is coming from somebody who has positions in both of the stocks. If it does come down, healthy pullback will be right around 1088. Still keeping that trend line, still above EMA, which it was tested today. My price target for the week is still $18. If I'm wrong on that, which so far we've been right on our price target, but of course we can't always all the time be right. So if it doesn't hit $18 and it stays around 14, above 13, that's still a huge win for AMC. Now for the volume, guys, there has been a volume swap. GameStop was leading in volume, and now it's at 35 million as of today, and AMC has been looking pretty solid above the 100 milli. It's at 125 million volume today. People are saying, oh, are people switching from GameStop to AMC? I think the majority of people honestly are holding both. Let me know in the comments down below. And guys, yesterday, as you guys know, we tried to buy a movie ticket for AMC after I was done showering at around 8:45 p.m. That was the latest I was willing to go to the movies. Obviously, I have to be up bright and early for you guys for a live stream, but they sold out to my surprise. I was aware that there is limited seating, but to be sold out, and we're in March, we're barely recovering. More demand down the road, probably Q3 of this year. Orange County, someone posted on the Reddit of on the thread of on AMC, a picture of the Orange County AMC, and it was completely packed. That's what I'm saying. There is going to be demand. People like myself are desperate to return to normal life. It's only a matter of time before we feel that demand. It's only going to ramp up. It's only going to get better. I am so hyped and excited to see how AMC plays out. Now, this is where it starts to get interesting. Take a look at this tweet by S3, which shows the short shares interest, which happens to so be 46.40 million, which is coming down from the highs of 65 million on this graph compared to the price. It's coming down to around 46 million, which happens to be the second time it's crossing on the graph here. The first time that happened was January 27, which was the first initial spike we saw on AMC and GameStop. So this is pretty interesting. This is why my price target still remains pretty strong at $18. I'm very interested to see what happens tomorrow. It's going to be very volatile. I don't like the Finto data. I still think it's very flawed, but I'm still going to give you it for AMC. It went up from 600K to 5.9 million. S3 is showing the fee of 3.32%, which he said new shorts were coming at 20%, which kind of confuses me there. But as of an hour ago, the fee is 1.69 according to Fintel. I don't believe it, but for AMC, that's pretty much it. For Tesla, which we'll cover right now, one of my favorite stocks, Tesla, I am willing to initiate my position under 650. Again, tomorrow we do expect red. If Powell does tank the markets one more time, that is where I'm going to be initiating my position. I'm also going to be swooping up some NEO shares. Remind me, I'm going to be swooping up some NEO shares. So that's what I'm going to be expecting for Tesla. I do have my alert set. Don't forget, we go live every single day. So tune in tomorrow to if you want to see me initiate this position live. Also, guys, the media is still shilling on GME and AMC, which so happens to be another overlooked reason why I think these plays are still in play. Why are they talking about it still? Why are they bad-mouthing? Take a look at this article or this tweet from investing.com. GameStop, AMC in battle for top loser among meme stocks. That's a little odd to me. If they were not in play, they would not be talking about them. If you guys did find this video of value, make sure you slap a like, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow for yet another, possibly, which so happens to be the craziest trading day out of the week, Wednesday. We have big catalysts. I'll see you guys tomorrow.